these are the handline reels that I make, and someone asked, do I still make the casting version of the reel? Years ago, if you look long enough, you'll see a version of one of these reels where it was really narrow and thin, and I sold it as a casting version. Well, the reality is I've far surpassed that technologically. Though that original casting reel had no casting lip, it was just a very super thin, narrow, almost bicycle wheel style handline reel, which was my first reel. But eventually, I learned how to put this casting lip on my reels. So, by definition, come on now, there we go. That casting lip, that ramp there, helps that line spool off very easily. All right, this is okay, and here it is spooled up. As you can see, that just will just so both my pine reels and my cypress reels have that casting lip. They will be able to cast. The primary difference is in the wood and in the size, okay? As you can see, the pine reel here is significantly, this is pine, southern yellow pine, very wide, and it's two-piece. So it's very wide. I have large hands and it fits my hands well. This is my preferred reel. But most people don't have hands as big as mine, and they rather have something much smaller, right? And so I have a cypress reel. It has all the same features as the larger one. It's just in a smaller size. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see on there. Slightly smaller size. And it's a lot lighter. It's about half the weight. This pine is heavy, and I like this pine being out in the boat, and I'm trolling and I'm drifting, and I kind of like having a little weight on the reel so to help anchor it in the boat. But when you're on the land and you're going to be casting all day long, that's going to wear your arm out. But you get the cypress reel, it's less than half. It's like half the weight, right? But it has all the same casting features, and it's a lot narrower. Cypress and southern yellow pine are both common woods here in Alabama, so they're both easy to get. I have to put this in two-piece, so there's an extra step, but at the end of the day, what takes a long time is to cure these things. The cheapest way out is by the unfinished version, okay? Just wanted to give an update for those who have been considering my handline reels, but not exactly quite sure which one to get. And there you have it. Check it out on the website. Check the links below or up above, wherever you see them popping up. And hopefully we'll be on the water next week, and I'll see you next time.